Our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day is GUGMA. 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 When we say GUGMA in English, that would either mean love, affection, attachment, fondness, tenderness, charity, regard, consideration, and infatuation. GUGMA. Let us have the following sample sentences. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. That means I really love you. I really do love you. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. Ko is me or I, and then ikaw is you. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. The next Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentence is nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Mia. Nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Mia. That means Juan and Mia is in love with each other. Nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Mia. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw. Nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Maria. Nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Maria. And that's all for our Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word for the day, which is GUGMA and would either mean love, affection, attachment, fondness, tenderness, charity, regard, consideration, and infatuation. Ginahigugma ko gid ikaw and nagahigugmaanay sanday Juan kag Mia. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.